Please do not forget to visit our Vaikuntha Bazaar. We have Creative Circle, Sai Catering, Mosaic Beach, Akulcha, Adamara, Shashi Boutique, Jai Jagannath Gift Shop from Puri, Amitini Fashion and Jewel Box, Yashini Collection, Rudrakshas for everyone, Shri Durga Ethnic Wears and Hari Om Tailors. Please take advantage.